Hello everyone, I'm gonna be unboxing a Hilook by Hikvision DVR, setting it up for you. Okay, so this DVR is made by Hikvision. It's the same product, the same software, same design, and same quality. There's no difference, it's only the name. So if you got a Hilook DVR, it look like you got a Hikvision DVR. So we are going to open it. So when you open it, you got the DVR, you got the power supply, okay, you got the power cord for the hard drive, you got the data cable, you got the screws for the hard drive, you got one mouse. So we are going to open it. So this is the DVR. It's a 8-channel DVR. You can plug 8 cameras on this port, okay? And you got a VGA port, you got a HDMI port, and you got a microphone in and audio out. And then you got 2 USB ports, one for the mouse and one if you want to plug a external memory if you want to export a recording video, and you got a LAN port if you want to link your DVR to the internet, so you'll be able to do a remote view on your mobile phone. And then this is the power plug. So this is for the head plug. Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to install a hard drive inside this DVR. We are going to open it. You do like this. Very simple. We're gonna open the data cable. You just plug it here. It's the power cord for the hard drive. You see here? So now we are going to connect the hard drive like this. It's gonna be like this. And connect the power. Okay? Do like this. Okay? Those are the screws for the hard drive. Going to install it. You need to position until you see those 4 holes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tight it. Don't touch it too much until you position all those screws. Okay. You can tight it now. Okay, we are done installing the hard drive. Now we are going to close it back. do like this. See here, you start on top here. It close. This is same way you do with Hikvision DVR. It is same design, same product. We are going to put back the screw. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to switch it on and then set it up. We're gonna plug our power. Okay, we're gonna definitely need a mouse. And then you're gonna need a VGA cable or a HDMI cable. I'm gonna use a HDMI cable. So this is my HDMI cable. HDMI is always the best when using a DVR or any other devices because you get high quality of picture. It doesn't mean also you cannot use a VGA cable. You connect it, and now this HDMI cable will be connected to your screen. I'm gonna bring my screen, powering up our Hilook DVR. So from here you're gonna have to choose your language: English, French, Spanish, or Portuguese, or whatever. You click next. So from here you're gonna have to put a password. It's mandatory. I'm gonna put only admin. Now you can put an email address in case if you forget your password. If you forget your password, you can reset it. I'm not going to put an email. Click activate. You can also have this pattern as a password. I don't want it. Click. If you don't want to use a pattern, just right click on the mouse. And here you select your country of residence. If you don't find your country, just leave it by default. And this is the format of date, day, month, year. I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna put the time. What time is now? I'm gonna change the time. You click next. This is if you want to set up the internet, but I didn't plug any network cable. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do this setup later on. Next, the same thing. We don't have IP camera. You click next. And this is the hard drive. You're gonna have to format the hard drive. Okay, you click finish. Okay, so we're done doing the setup. Our DVR is ready to receive our camera. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug one camera and then we see how it look like. So let's plug one camera and see. Okay, so this is one of our camera. Just plug one camera. You can see picture is not bad. See, so this is how you set up a Hilook by Hikvision DVR. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Thank you for watching this video. Ciao.